In this demo video, we'll look at the three aspects of VMware Cloud Marketplace's support of container solutions. First, we will look at how to browse for and find a particular container solution. Second, we will look at how partners can publish container solutions on the marketplace. Third, we will look at how customers can utilize our container registry to directly deploy container solutions from the marketplace. First, we'll look at how quickly we can browse for container solutions on VMware Cloud Marketplace. Here's our landing page. As you can see, there are several elements that you can utilize to help you browse. At the top, we can see the search bar, which can be used for free-form search. Next, we see the solution type buttons, which then pop up to a catalog extract of a particular type, in this case, containers. Next, we see the deployment platform buttons, which can be used to browse PKS solutions. And lastly, you can see further down to find other catalog selections, including a container solutions selection. Let's select container solutions. Here, you can see a number of solutions with more loading as you scroll down. Do note that you can use our filtering and sorting features to browse as well. So let's select a particular solution, Prometheus Helm chart. When you come to the page, you can see a number of elements on the solution page, including solution details, available versions, and support. You can click on deployment instructions for details on how to use. On the first screen, select the type, which is Helm chart in this case, as well as the app version, and then click Next. Next, select the chart version that you'd like to use, and then you'll be able to see the prerequisites as well as the detailed instructions. Close the screen to exit the instructions. Please note that you must be logged into VMware Cloud Marketplace in order to view these instructions. To begin the publish process, click on Add Product located in the top right corner when you navigate to the Service Management tab. Enter the details such as product name, type, platform, and so on. Click through to the next few screens to add additional technical details, support information, and pricing information if relevant. Also, input the appropriate encryption and export compliance information, and then provide your open source disclosure information. Enter in your End User License Agreement, or EULA, to close out the compliance section. In the next section, we'll input the solution-specific information. First, enter the version of the solution that you want to upload. Then, provide the Docker registry link for the solution. Next, enter the Docker tags that you want to use and select the type, fixed or floating. Click Submit and then enter any deployment instructions to go along with the image, and then click Finish. As we saw earlier in the video, you can find the deployment instructions on each container solution. Let's look at the deployment instructions for the solution that we just created. First, select the type and version that you want to use, and then accept the End User License Agreement. Click on the next screen to see the instructions. Here, you can now see the Docker login instructions for the container registry that is set up and maintained by the VMware Cloud Marketplace team. It's important to note that the login instructions are short-lived once you begin the subscription flow by clicking on Deployment Instructions. Use these instructions to log in and then enter the solution's registry details that are provided in the instructions. This will then allow you to start pulling the solution directly from the Marketplace Managed Registry. Once that's done, you can close the deployment instructions to finish the deployment, and your solution is now ready to use.